The world is changing. Storms grow stronger, oceans rise. Once thriving coastlines are disappearing. Buildings stretch further into nature. Pollution fills our waters. The balance is tipping. The consequences are real. Beaches are eroding. Marine life is struggling. What once felt limitless is now fragile. But there is hope. We have solutions. Among them, hidden along our shores, are powerful ecosystems working silently to protect us. Most people don't realize it, but mangroves and seagrasses are our unsung heroes. They do more than just exist. They capture carbon from the air, store it deep within their roots, and slow down the effects of climate change. They protect our coastlines from erosion, act as barriers against rising tides, and provide shelter for countless marine species. But these ecosystems are disappearing, and with them, the benefits they bring. That's why Odysseo and its partners are taking action. Through research, conservation, restoration, and education, they are working to protect and restore these vital ecosystems. Scientists are measuring water quality, analyzing carbon storage, and planting more mangroves to rebuild what has been lost. Every tree planted, every seagrass meadow restored, every effort made, it all counts. But they can't do it alone. We all have a role to play. By protecting our coastlines, reducing pollution, and supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Help spread the word, share this message with your friends, family, and community to raise awareness. We are the last line of defense. The time to act is now.